Most guys are overcomplicating this. 6 days a week, hour-long sessions, meal prep every Sunday, and they still look the same. I did less and I actually started changing. Here's the lazy method. 8 steps, let's go. 1. Train 2 to 3 times a week. Not 5, not 6, 3 sessions. That's it. Enough to build real muscle and still recover properly. Most guys don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they don't want to go too hard. They fail because they went too hard and burnt out by week 6. Lazy logic is 2 years of 2 sessions beats 2 months of 6 sessions. 2. Only do 80% compound movement and 20% isolated movements for aesthetics. Incline bench press, pull-ups, shoulder press, rows, leg press, Romanian deadlifts, tricep pushdowns, preacher curl, and lateral raises. That's all you need. Boom. That's the whole program. 9 exercises. Each one hits multiple muscle groups at once and prioritizes aesthetics. Lazy logic is the guy doing 9 isolation exercises is doing 4 times the work for the same result. 3. 1 to 3 sets per exercise. You don't need 5 sets. 2 heavy sets with real effort is enough stimulus. Short workout, real results. 4. Stay in the 6 or 7 rep range. This builds strength and muscle at the same time. Weight goes up, body changes. That's the whole game. Lazy logic, you can do 15 reps easily. You're not building muscle. You're just tiring yourself. 5. Rest longer than you think. 3 to 5 minutes between sets. No time anxiety. Just wait until you feel ready and go again. You need to recover your muscles and your nervous system. Cut the rest short and you're just fatiguing yourself. 6. Fix your protein and carbs ratio. Don't count grams yet. Just make protein the biggest thing on your plate. Shrink everything else. Chicken, eggs, minced beef, Greek yogurt. Simple ingredients. No recipes needed. 7. Eat 2 meals a day. 2 meals a day is lunch and dinner. Bigger portions, less snacking, fewer decisions. Fewer meals means fewer chances to eat the wrong thing. Number 8. Walk, don't run. 10,000 steps a day. Slow, split it up if you want. Walking burns fat without killing your recovery. You don't need to suffer to get lean. That's it. 8 steps, all simple, sustainable. The reason this works isn't because it's advanced. It works because you can actually do it every single week without quitting. I'm doing 10,000 push-ups if we hit 100k subs. Full program is in the aesthetics blueprint down below. Come on, click it.